Canalys is always a fantastic event. I think it's a great platform which brings the ecosystem together. And what I like about it is that they create opportunities that makes networking easy and also gives a platform for us to really think about what's happening in the ecosystem, what are the trends, and where should we be looking for the future as well. We are a big believer of, having a clear direction, aligning and committing to it, right? So for us, our strategy is very, very clear. We are investing in high growth technologies. And we, as a solutions distributor across the world, believe that our main role in the tech ecosystem is to enable the next tier, which is interfacing with the customers, to take the solutions and tech ecosystem forward. What I mean is, we want to do the heavy lifting for our partners when it comes to high growth technologies, new segments, because what we want to do for them is reduce the time to market, simplify the complex, and really leverage the ecosystem we are in to be able to help them scale and grow their business. Now, vendors and tier 2 partners are the two stakeholders for us. These are, I call them both customers for us. We are serving both. So an alignment of where the customer is and where the vendor technologies are, but building solutions portfolio and enabling the channel is our strategy. That's how we go to market. Digital era is about how IT is getting consumed, right? And we see that there are different motions in the way IT is getting deployed. Some of the motions are digital now, as the consumption models on cloud are digital. Subscription models on some of the software, right? Moving from license to subscription. They're all going digital. So our strategy is to give the best-in-class platforms to our partners. So as an example, our cloud platform is Stream1 Iron, which is the best-in-class platform today available in the market at a distribution level, which enables orchestration of multi-vendors, hybrid cloud, multiple hyperscalers, and ISVs. They all can come on the same platform, and our partners can really actually take that to their customers in their own private label as well. So that's one piece. We are enabling a platform that really allows our partners to orchestrate a multi-vendor marketplace for us. The second one is we have our renewals platforms, which gives a real ease of use for our partners to be able to digitally renew their software licenses, etc. And third platform we have is our e-commerce platform, where anything that is a commodity is just inventory and pricing. They can go and transact hands-free, no touch, with no touch from a sales perspective, but they can interact with our e-commerce platform and transact digitally. So that's how we're helping the ecosystem. Well, the biggest issue that exists in tech ecosystem is that the technologies are really growing fast and rapidly changing, right? And now it is becoming more business outcome led rather than technology led, right? And the partners have the biggest challenge as to how to maintain what they have and invest in something that is new, like AI, machine learning, like cybersecurity, like data, like cloud, hybrid cloud. And like anybody else, the biggest constraint we have is time, money, and skills shortage, right? We can do limited things with the resources we have. But what we try and do is do the heavy lifting for our partners, build solution cases, reference our architectures. We also have digital practices like Digital Practice Builder as to how to enable them to get to new markets in the least time and more cost effective way. So we are building things that our partners can take advantage of and go to market faster in especially high growth technologies. Well, IT is a great place to be, first of all, don't get me wrong. And IT is a very, very broad spectrum, right? We are an end to end IT solutions distributor, right? And it's a portfolio. Now, within that portfolio, you will see some of the technologies are in hyper growth mode. And you will also see that in the region we are in, which is APJ, Asia Pacific and Japan, it's in a much better growth position than the Western world, right? So if you combine the two, you can predict that we are in good space in 2024. In fact, Tech Data and TD Synnex are very inclusive in the way we involve our partner ecosystem in how are they seeing the markets and technology trends. And we produce a direction of technologies report annually. And in the recent report, you would see there are many, many positive signals. The fact that 73% of the IT spend is going through the channel is a huge thing. And IT is a huge market. So that's number one. The other thing is 40% of our partners are saying in that survey that they plan to introduce AI and ML solutions in the next 2 years. Our partners also continue to say that the biggest gaps they need to fill in growth areas is cybersecurity and networking skills. They're also telling us they have to become services led because these technologies can really be adopted or sold only when you have a services offering along with that. So our partner community is very well tuned as to what's happening in the market. Our role is to make sure that we sense those signals and enable them to get to the market faster without spending too many resources into too many practices. So I think the focus for next year for the partners, according to me, is there is growth in cybersecurity, there is growth in infrastructure, there is growth in networking, there is growth in services-led businesses, and in general, cloud is going to keep growing, hybrid cloud, I mean. And the fact that in Asia Pacific region, 75% or 73% of IT deployment happens through the channel is a great sign.